Hello, welcome back in other video. So I hope you don't mind if I open this console. So in this video we will be talking about the create transaction, create invoice. The transaction could be any type. It could be type of invoice, it could be credit note, it could be debit note, and these are the three types we will be using. So in this video, so let's create a new transaction. So the first transaction I'll be creating in the business, you can say the online store demo YouTube video, the business that we just created. So let's create an invoice first. So this is a B2C, the business to customer, and the nationality is the Saudi. So you guys well known, if you're you guys have an idea, if the user or customer nationality is the Saudi, then we will not be charging him a VAT. But if that customer's nationality other than Saudi, then we will be charging him a VAT. Okay, so that's why. So this is the one thing. And if same goes for the VAT number, if your nationality is set to the Saudi, then there is a no need for the VAT, because Saudi nationality have no VAT number in the medical field. And in same case for the non-Saudi, but non-Saudi have a VAT number in the medical field. Okay, so if I change this value, so non-Saudi it's enable, and on Saudi it's get disabled. Okay, so let's go to the next, the invoice ID. This will be an integer and can be an invoice ID in your application, what you are referencing to. And this will also use in credit note and debit note. When you are trying to create the credit note and debit note, so you have to pass the invoice ID, invoice reference, which is which will be this. So make sure you have a correct ID that you're passing into it. And the customer ID, the customer you have, the in my case I've set it to 1. And the customer name, let me write it as Suleiman. And invoice date, so I'm writing to today's date and time. The delivery date, so if you're creating an invoice for the physical product, so you have to mention your delivery date, when you gonna be deliver this product. So but in the online services or online products, you can set the same date. Okay, or any date later to it. So item ID, the your stock products item ID, the item name, let me name is bottles, the price it's 3, and the quantity are 10. Okay, so the total payable is 30, the tax amount is 0 because your nationality is the Saudi. If you change it to non-Saudi, then your the tax will be added to this one, the 4.75%, which was the 15% tax. But in some cases the tax is 5%, and so there is an option to select the tax yet, because this is a very initial phase that I'm launching. So if I saw the user response on it, so I'll be enhance it with the more functionality and the more great UX stuff. So let's create an invoice. Okay, okay, I have selected, so let me select the Saudi one, because I don't know the VAT number right now. So you can see our transaction is created. And if you see, this is the QR code that we have got. So you can scan the QR code by two ways. The Saudi invoice app, uh, let me check its name. You can scan the invoice QR code with the e-invoice QR code app, which is available on the Play Store and App Store. And you can also scan it from the ZATCA app, which is the authenticate app from the from the ZATCA company that they given in their portal. So this is the QR code, this is the ZATCA response, this is the response what ZATCA gave us on submitting the invoice. It's showing the reported, that means your invoices has been reported to ZATCA, and the result is the pass. And if we get the invoice details, so we'll get an idea. So yes, we have We enter 10 quantities, 3 unit price and 30 total, and 0 tax amount because the nationality is Saudi. Okay, so yeah, so here above you can see the filters as well. So we have only one invoices in this business, so it get popped out. Okay, so this is the all stuff that you are that will help you to integrate your system with the ZATCA. So I know this is the manual way to sending the invoice into ZATCA, but if you want, if you own a e-commerce business on the WordPress website and you want to send all the invoices to ZATCA, so yes, you can connect to me, so I can help it in to automate your process, your to automate all the invoices that is creating and send to the ZATCA, so I can do that as well. So let's hope to connect in next other video. Thanks, have a good day, bye bye.